If you have $500 to invest, you might think your options are pretty limited. Stocks, too risky. Real estate, forget about it. But what if I told you there's a powerful, time-tested asset that not only protects your money, but has the potential for some serious gains? The asset I'm talking about is silver. I'm Joshua Ward, Senior Vice President of Sales at Noble Gold Investments, and with over 15 years of experience in strategic investing, I want to share with you why I think you're starting with $500, silver is the smartest investment for you. Silver has been used as real money for thousands of years, and even today it plays a crucial role in industries around the world. When people think of investing in precious metals, gold is usually the first thing that comes to mind. But if you're working with a smaller budget, silver is obviously the smarter choice. It's affordable, historically undervalued, and has major potential for growth. Let me tell you why. First, silver is significantly more affordable than gold. At current prices, 1 ounce of gold costs close to $3,000, while an ounce of silver is closer to $34. That means with $500, you can get 15 ounces of silver, compared to just a tiny fraction of an ounce with gold. Second, silver has massive upside potential. Historically, the gold to silver ratio, how many ounces of silver it takes to equal 1 price of gold, has averaged around 40 to 1. Today, it's closer to 90 to 1. Meaning silver is historically undervalued compared to gold. If that ratio returns to historical norms, silver prices could easily double. Third, silver is real, tangible asset, unlike stocks, cryptocurrencies, which can lose value overnight due to market crashes or regulations. Silver is a physical store of value. It's been used as money for centuries, and unlike paper currency, it can be printed into oblivion. Finally, silver is in high demand across multiple industries. It's used in solar panels, electronics, medical devices, and electric vehicles. As technology advances and global industries grow, the demand for silver will only increase, putting upward pressure on prices. Now let's compare silver to a few other investments you might be considering with your $500. First, stocks. While the stock market can offer big gains, it also comes with high volatility, high risk, high reward. A bad earnings report, economic downturn, or even a tweet from the wrong person can send stock prices crashing overnight. But $500 isn't enough to build a diversified stock portfolio, leaving you exposed to higher risk. Next, cryptocurrencies. Crypto has some investors rich, but it also made many people go broke. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of hours, and regulatory changes could wipe out certain assets entirely. If you're new to investing and looking for stability, silver is a much safer choice. What about your standard savings account? Keeping your money in the bank might feel safe, but with inflation eating away at your purchasing power, your dollars are losing value every single day. Silver, on the other hand, has historically held its value against inflation and often outperforms fiat currencies over time. If you're ready to start investing in silver, there are a few ways to do it. The simplest choice is to buy physical silver. This includes silver bullion coins such as American Silver Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, or simple silver bars. These are widely recognized, easy to store, and simple to sell when the time comes. Another option is silver ETFs, or exchange traded funds, which track the price of silver without requiring you to store the actual physical metal. However, with ETFs, you don't actually own the silver. You own just a share of a fund. You own the exposure to silver. If your goal is to hold real tangible assets, physical silver is the way to go. If you want my opinion, start with a silver IRA. These allow you to invest in physical silver within a tax-advantaged retirement account, providing long-term security and protection against inflation. Here at Noble Gold Investments, we've helped thousands begin their investment journey with our silver IRAs and silver bullion. Get a free investment guide on how you can start investing today. Visit www.noblegoldinvestments.com or call us right now at 877-646-5347. If you want to learn more about silver and the different ways you can invest, check out Colin Plume, CEO of Noble Gold's new book, Silver is the New Oil. You can find it on Amazon and major retailers everywhere. If you're starting with $500, silver is one of the smartest investments you can make. It's affordable, historically undervalued, widely used in major industries, and a proven store of value. Whether you're choosing to buy the physical bullion, ETFs, or silver IRAs, silver offers a unique combination of security and growth potential. What was your first investment? Will it be silver? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss investing tips and updates. I'm Joshua Ward, Senior Vice President of Sales here at Noble Gold. Thank you for watching.